dame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, y más allá.
Hello there mga ka-TLC, once again welcome back to my channel, Jerry TLC Travel, Leisure and Cooking. And today mga ka-TLC, we're gonna make the butter out of that thickened cream. But first thing first, the thickened cream. Alright, so meron tayong salt. So if ang butter nyo ay pwedeng salted or unsalted. Of course, meron kang sa mixer. So, meron ka ring bowl para lagyan dyan sa butter, of course, and ito ilagay yung ice at water. Kailangan yung malamig ilagay dyan yung cream. Alright, so stay tuned mga ka-TLC. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, huwag kalimutan pindutin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka kung may mga bago akong upload videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Jerry TLC Travel, Leisure and Cooking. Okay, mga ka-TLC, lagyan natin yung thick cream. Gawa tayo ng ice na may tubig. Isang advice is lagyan natin siya sa ice water. Maganda malamig yung lagyan. Tignan nyo mga ka-TLC. Yun. See the beauty of thick cream become butter. And you can differentiate now. This is the thick cream. Yeah, this is the one. Alright, and now see the result. Now become butter. So approximately nga so mga 15 to 20 minutes siyang nag-mix. Alright mga ka-TLC, na-strain natin siya, kinuha natin yung buttermilk. Makita niyo sa yan ang butter. So yung buttermilk, pwede yung gawin pang pancake yan. At pwede na rin yung inumin. Itong buttermilk. Gawin sa butter. Alright mga ka-TLC, ito na yung buttermilk natin. We'll see how many cups of buttermilk. 2 liters of thick cream. Yun, meron tayong 3 cups of buttermilk. Pwede na itong gawin pang pancake. Alright mga ka-TLC, this is now the butter. Pero hugasan pa natin to ng malamig na tubig at kukunin pa natin yung talagang form ng butter. Mga ka-TLC, ito na yung finished product natin. So this is now the butter, and that is the buttermilk. So as you can see, once again, this is now the thick cream, which is the product result is the butter. So after nating hugasan ng cold water, may exist na siyang buttermilk. So umabot siya ng 3 cups and a half of 2 liters of thick cream. So as you can see, mayroon tayong salt dito. So pwede nyo siyang gawin ding salted butter. So ito yung gawa ko is unsalted butter to. So what I recommend if you make a salted butter, so habang nag-mix pa kayo, dun nyo ilagay yung salt. Kasi yung iba kasi maglagay ng salt dyan na mismo pag nagawa na siya ng butter. Pero which is good, doon mo ilagay yung salt in the process of mixing. Alright? Alright mga ka-TLC, ito na yung pancake buttermilk na ginawa natin out of thick cream
which is the result. We have the butter and our buttermilk pancake. So abangan nyo sa next video natin ay paano gumawa ng buttermilk pancake. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Jerry TLC, Travel Leisure, and Cooking. Much love everyone. So ilagay natin yung butter mga ka-TLC. Yun. Put some honey in here. So nasa sa inyo kung ano yung lagay nyo toppings out of that buttermilk pancake. You can put some blueberry as well mga ka-TLC.